Hi everyone, I am so excited to share my brand new collection, Harvest Harmony Toppers. These beautiful table toppers capture the spirit of autumn with the perfect trio, a pumpkin, an acorn, and a maple leaf. Arranged on one side, with their shape gently extending beyond the edge for a fun and unique finish. What makes them even more special is the addition of a beautiful embroidery autumn phrases, perfect little sayings that bring warm and seasonal cheer right into your home. Imagine your table dressed with these toppers, golden leaves outside, cozy fabrics. That will be great. You can personalize them with your favorite fabrics to match your decor, and since they come in multiple hoop sizes, everyone can enjoy making them. Let's jump right in and stitch some autumn harmony together. We're going to start by hooping 2 layers of tearaway stabilizer to give the toppers extra strength. If you want to save on materials instead of using 2 full sheets, you can use a spray adhesive and add a leftover piece of stabilizer from past projects. This works just like having the second layer and is a great way to make use of scraps. Okay, let's start running the embroidery machine, and the first spool color will go right over the stabilizer. We're going to cover the entire guideline with 2 layers of cotton batting. I like to share little tips with all of you to help you saving material. Take them or leave them, whatever works best for you. Since I always keep my batting leftovers, I will use scraps for the first layer and then a single piece of batting for the second layer. That way I get the strength of 2 layers, making good use of what I already have. The next spool color will do the tack down stitch to attach the 2 layers of cotton batting to the project. After the tack down line is done, we're going to trim all around it. Now you're going to cover the whole batting area with a piece of pattern fabric of your choice. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the pattern fabric to the project. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the first applique guideline as the video shows. Let's prepare the fabric applique by adding heat and bond to the back of the fabric. Since we're doing blanket applique, heat and bond will hold the fabric securely in place and prevent the edges from frying. Make sure you press both sides with your iron so the heat and bond adheres smoothly and evenly to the fabric. Now you're going to add the heat and bond fabric to the project. Just make sure it covers the whole applique guideline, and also make sure you remove the paper backing. For the next spool color, it will do the tack down stitch to attach that applique fabric to the project. After the tack down line is done, we are going to trim all around it. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the blanket applique stitch all around the edge of that specific applique fabric. Next spool color, it will do the next applique guideline. In this case, will be the stem of the leaf applique. For the leaf design, we will need 3 different pattern fabrics backed with heat and bond. I like to use my heat and bond leftovers folder, where I save all my scraps for future projects. I just love it. It's like a little treasure box of beautiful fabrics already prepped and ready to choose from. Now you're going to cover the leaf stem with a piece of fabric of your choice. Then keep running your embroidery machine to do the tack down stitch to attach that little piece of fabric to the project. After the tack down line is done, you're going to trim all around it. Next spool color, it will do the blanket applique stitch all around the stem applique fabric. Next spool color, it will do the next applique guideline. It will be the left part of the leaf as the video shows. Cover the whole applique guideline with a piece of pattern fabric of your choice. After that, keep running your embroidery machine to do the tack down stitch to attach that piece of fabric to the project. When the tack down line is done, we're going to trim all around it. Next spool color, it will do the blanket applique stitch all around that applique fabric. Keep running your embroidery machine to do the next applique guideline. It will be the right area of that leaf applique. Then cover the whole guideline with a piece of fabric of your choice. After that, keep running your embroidery machine to do the tack down stitch to attach that applique fabric to the project. After the tack down line is done, you're going to trim all around it. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will start doing some embroidery details over the leaf applique. After the embroidery details are done, it will do the blanket applique stitch all around the orange color fabric as the video shows. The next spool color, your machine will stitch a lovely quilted pattern featuring graceful maple leaves and delicate swirls. It will also embroider the beautiful fall sayings, adding that extra seasonal charm, just as you can see in the video. Your topper is almost complete. For the final step, we'll add 2 pieces of fabric, each folded in half. When placing them down, be sure the folded edges are facing toward the center. These 2 pieces will overlap one another by about 1.5 to 2 inches, creating a neat envelope finish style. This overlap is what allows you to easily turn the topper right side out. Keep running your embroidery machine for the last spool color. It will do a whole stitch line all around the design to attach all those fabrics together. Now it's time to unhook the whole project, and then you're going to cut all around the stitch line, leaving about 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now turn your whole project inside out and carefully shape the edges as much as you can so the design looks nice and clean. Once the topper is fully shaped, give it a good press with your iron on both the top and the bottom. This step is important as it helps the heat and bond set properly and give your topper a smooth, professional finish. Just look at them all, so cute and perfectly seasonal. These toppers are wonderful because you can use them as charming mug rugs, festive table mats, or handy tree beds, and they'll add a cozy autumn touch wherever you place them. They're also perfect for sharing with friends and family, spreading the warmth and spirit of fall in every stitch. And with several hoop sizes included, the variety makes them even more fun to stitch, giving you endless ways to decorate your home or create special handmade pieces. Now it's time for our Harvest Harmony Sweepstake giveaway. I am so excited to share a bundle of fall sewing goodies, perfect for your seasonal projects. One lucky winner will receive 3 embroidery spools in fall colors, 1 tube of 12 embroidery bobbins, 1 yard of orange rag ribbon, and 6 leather tags that read handmade. I use those a lot for my projects. Everything comes in an adorable plastic box with a scissors graphic on top. Perfect to keep all your fall treasures neat and handy. To enter, just leave a comment below. That's it. The sweepstake is for US only, and please follow YouTube official sweepstake rules, which are linked in the video description. Please remember, YouTube is not a sponsor of this sweepstake, and by entering you release YouTube from any liability related to this giveaway. The sweepstake will officially close on August 29, and the lucky winner will be announced in future videos. And remember, it's very important if you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will know you are the winner. I have few prizes here waiting to be claimed because the person who won, they don't even know they did. And I don't want you to miss out your goodies. Thank you so much for stitching along with me today. I truly hope you enjoy making this Harvest Harmony project. I can't wait to see how you use your toppers to bring that warm autumn touch. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me keep creating more fun tutorials for all of you to enjoy. See you next time.